Shirakawa, a region in central Japan, surrounded by lush forest and part of northern Japanese Alps, also known as the Hida Mountains, is known for its beautiful mountain settlements and unique architectural style of its houses. This area of Japan receives one of the highest snowfall in the country, so it remained isolated for quite some time in history. The Gashozukuri architectural style was designed to minimize the structural damage to the houses due to possibility of heavy snow piling up on the roof in winters. Located in a valley along the bank of Shogawa River, Ogimachi is the largest settlement with the highest number of these preserved Gashozukuri houses. The historic Shiragawa region is now a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The houses are generally 3 to 4 stories tall. Some of these houses have existed for 250 years, up to the present times. The most distinctive feature of these structures is their roof. Two massive and steeply slanting surfaces, joined in the shape of alphabet A, comprise the roof. Gashozukuri means constructed like hands in prayer in Japanese, a name given to these roofs based on their shape, which resembles hands joined in prayer. This shape prevents the accumulation of snow by allowing it to slide off easily due to their steep sloping surfaces. The roof is thatched and the thickness can go up to about 3 feet. Almost entirely made of wood, these houses are vulnerable to fire accidents. Fire prevention measures and drills are regularly reviewed by local community themselves. One more incredible feature of these houses is that not even one nail is used in construction. Wooden logs and beams and hand-woven ropes are intertwined securely and neatly to put up these sturdy structures. In earlier times, families lived on the ground floor. The attic space was used for silkworm farming, which was one of the means of livelihood for the local community. Some of these preserved houses are open for visitors, where you can take a closer look at the everyday living style of earlier times. The irori or fireplace was an unmissable part of ground floor where families prepared meals. At the same time, heat and smoke from the fireplace helped to keep upper floors warm and insect-free. Many families continue to live in these traditional Gashozukuri houses, although their means of livelihood may have changed. Some of them have been converted into guest houses that offer boarding and lodging facilities, providing visitors a chance to have an authentic cultural experience. Cafes have very attractive interiors. Most of them offer views of the village from their windows and are a perfect place to relax and enjoy the atmosphere. Restaurants serve local cuisine and have the option of Japanese-style low-seating tables. Takeaway counters help to grab a quick refreshment. The natural resource. Cool, fresh mountain spring water is used to keep the drinks chilled. There are a good number of souvenir and gift shops. Also, some houses have been converted into small museums that showcase local handicrafts. Shirakawa-go is stunningly beautiful all year round. Every season has its own charm. Verdant hills, lush forests, vibrant green shoots of paddy and abundant colorful flowers define the beauty of Shirakawa-go in summer. The Shirogawa River flows gently. The water appears emerald green with the reflection of the surroundings. A picturesque bridge across the river brings visitors to the other side of Ogimachi. A short walk from here leads to an open-air museum. Abandoned Gashozukuri houses scattered in this area have been relocated to this museum to ensure they don't fall into disrepair. Detailed information about each house is posted at the entrance. Visitors can enter all these houses as no one lives here. Centuries-old daily use items that have been used by the owners at some point of time are displayed inside these houses. Most fascinating are the classic interiors, made with finest quality timber like Japanese cedar and cypress. The museum is located in a forest that makes it very scenic and serene amidst the forest sounds. Shirakawa-go can be easily visited on a day trip from major towns nearby like Takayama or Kanazawa. Nonetheless, staying here in a traditional guest house would be an authentic experience.